And then when the regen doesn't complete and you get a P2263, how much, but realistically, when that happens.
So based off what they
cost
hit you with, how much money do you think you've saved America in the trucks that you did delete?
Unfortunately, it looks like I saved the American taxpayer close to $770 million by...
you bastard.
Yeah, by conspiring to violate the Clean Air Act. And the thing is, too, is well, that conspiracy word, what's that mean? It sounds really, really, really bad. Ooh, he's a conspiring person. And it is bad. So the thing is that means basically that I sold a product to another person. So if someone here bought a product, any type of product, from someone else, you're now in a conspiracy. So a normal, you can replace the word conspiracy with business transaction, right? So, and there's a lot of keywords that they use, you know, tampering, delete, OBD, monitoring system, all this stuff. But at the end of the day, what are we doing? What do we do? We fixed the trucks that were broken, that many times the parts were on back order or flat out unavailable. And, you know, I regret the way we did some of the things we did, but what I see a lot on Facebook and everywhere else is someone's on the side of the road, they're looking for someone to help them, and there was no parts available, and the next thing you know, the guy's rolling again.